That's the only potato I found in this bitch. I am literally throwing my gloves in. This was a disaster. Okay, this was a disaster. This was not good. This was not good. I told y'all was gonna get the good, the bad, and the horrible. Good, the bad, the beautiful, the horrible. This is horrible. Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready to harvest my potatoes, the ones that I grew in the 5-gallon buckets. I have to do this inside because we're on heat advisory for the next few days. It is super hot. Even this late, it's after 8 tonight and it is still so hot outside, so it's not happening outside. So I'm gonna go get my buckets, bring them inside. I got some trash bags and I'm gonna just kind of dump them into the trash bags, and then I'll be digging for potatoes. Okay, y'all, so after careful consideration and thought, I've decided that I'm only going to do one bucket today. So I will harvest one bucket of potatoes today, and I'll wait for a cooler day to do the other ones, okay? Because, I mean, technically, we don't need that many potatoes right now, okay? This one is very ready. Look at that. Y'all see that? It's very ready because they're all withered and, you know, dried out looking and stuff. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So they are very ready. So all I'm going to do is dump this over into this trash bag, and then I'm going to dig for potatoes. All right, y'all. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of, I'm going to pour this, well, I can cut this little part off. That way I don't have so much to hold, because they're kind of sturdy. They holding on to them potatoes. I'm going to pour this into the bag. I'm going to loosen it up a little bit. Oh, well, it's hard to do this with one hand, y'all. But when I break them, it does make it a little bit easier to grab them. They sturdy. They is sturdy, y'all. Make it a little bit easier. So when I get ready to dump them into the other bag. So I've just broke all that off. So now I'm gonna pour these, I'm gonna dump this into a bag, and then I'm just gonna go potato hunting. So I got a bag right here. I'm putting over the bucket like that, and I'm just gonna dump it all over into the bag. So give me a second to set this down. See y'all, I'm doing is dumping it into the bag. Just a little hard to do. All dumping in there. Okay, it's all dumped in there. All right, let me go grab some gloves, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna grab my gloves. I'm gonna grab my little handheld rake. So give me a second. That way, I don't have to get all this dirt on my hand. I got my gloves and I got my hand rake. So I'm gonna put these gloves on real quick, y'all. Put these gloves on really quick, and then got one of them on. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm about to put the other one on real quick, just like that. And then I'm gonna grab my little tool, and I'm down on the floor. All right, y'all can see that? All I did was flipped it over into a bag, y'all. That's all I did. Y'all can see that, right? When I do the other ones, it won't be this much work because I'm gonna do them outside. I'm gonna just lay down a tarp and do it. But it's so hot out there, and today was the day I said I was gonna do this, so I wanted to at least do one. All right, so now is the part where I just kind of break this up a little bit. I break this dirt up and try to find the potatoes. What if there's none? You know, what if there's no potatoes in here? I'm just reaching around, see what I can find. What if there's no potatoes at all? I'll be mad. I'll be pissed. So far, I ain't found nothing. I ain't found no shame. This is probably not the smartest thing to do. It's a lot of rich soil. I ain't found not one potato. Where them potatoes hanging out at? Where they at, y'all? I got a lot of dirt to break up. I'm trying not to get this junk on my nice clothes. Let's see, where the potatoes at? Where y'all hiding into? Is y'all hiding? I'm throwing dirt everywhere. I'm looking, y'all. I'm working this out. This is a big chunk of dirt. I ain't found no potatoes yet. I don't even know what that is. What the potatoes at? That's a lot of dirt. Take the big clumps and just kind of throw them over back in the I am really looking now. Y'all see me looking? I'm trying to find a damn potato. Yeah. I ain't finding no potato. I guess these little things right here used to be potatoes. Used to be potatoes. Yeah, I can tell that there probably was a potato. One of the ones that I planted, probably. I don't think, I ain't feeling no potatoes in here. And just kind of throw it around in this bucket and see what happens, y'all. Let me see if there's any potatoes up in there. I am just like, what? Where the other potatoes at? Like, are you serious? Are you serious today? You ain't gonna give me not one potato? I ain't gonna get not one. Wait, I found the potato. I found A. A as in one. Ha! I found one, bitch. Look, y'all. I found one. Y'all see it? I see a potato. One potato. So far. That looks like one of the ones that I planted. We're gonna see. Let's see if I find any more. I am so discouraged. Let's see if I find any more, y'all. This potatoes becoming a bust. I feel a lot of dry, non-potatoes. This is Where the hell the potatoes at? What goddamn potatoes? All I feel is dirt. What the hell? What they do? Like, y'all, like, really? This gotta be a prank. Somebody done went out there and took all my potatoes out the fucking bag. Out the bucket or some shit. Where the fuck my potatoes at? Y'all. I am literally feeling all up and through here. And I don't feel no motherfucking potatoes. I ain't no potatoes in this bitch. Where the fuck the potatoes at? This is called my green thumb. I'm supposed to have some goddamn potatoes in this bitch. All I see is potato skins. Potato skins, y'all. This shit is embarrassing. Ain't no motherfucking potatoes in this bag, y'all. I done ran my hand all up and through there, and it ain't nothing in there but dirt. This was a bust, y'all. This was a freaking bust. I was mad.